Welcome! If you're looking to enhance your productivity and streamline how you organize your tasks, you're in the right place. Today we'll explore Trello, a powerful project management tool that's both intuitive and highly customizable. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through everything you need to know to get started, even if you've never used Trello before. By the end, you'll have a fully functioning Trello board designed to simplify your workflow and help you stay on top of your goals. Let's dive in and discover how Trello can transform the way you work. Our journey begins with setting up your Trello account. Head over to Trello.com where you'll see a clear call to action to get Trello for free. Click that button and you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Once you've submitted your email, Trello will send you a verification link. This step is essential as it activates your account and gets you started on the right foot. After verifying your email, you can log in, create a password, and begin personalizing your profile. Before we dive into today's tutorial, let me save you some time and effort. You don't need to write down a single step from this video. Why? Because I've documented everything for you with Docufast AI, and you'll find the link to the document in the description below. With Docufast, I created a step-by-step guide for this Trello tutorial in seconds. It's not just easy, it's revolutionary. Imagine being able to create professional documents like this without any effort. And here's the best part. Docufast doesn't just document workflows, it also teaches you. With the Teach Me functionality, you can get on-screen training that guides you through any workflow step by step. Just install the free Chrome extension, click Teach Me, and you're all set. So, whether you're documenting workflows for your team or learning new tools, Docufast has got your back. Try it out for free today by clicking the link in the description. Now, let's jump into the tutorial. Before we jump into creating tasks and boards, let's take a moment to understand workspaces. Think of a workspace as an overarching category. For instance, you might create a workspace for your business with separate boards for marketing, operations, and client management. Or, if you're organizing your personal life, you could set up a workspace for projects like home renovations, fitness goals, or event planning. To create a workspace, click the profile button on the top right. Click Create Workspace and enter a name, like productivity. You can choose a workspace type and you can give it a description, then hit continue. You can also invite team members if you're working on shared projects, but for this tutorial, we'll focus on setting up a workspace just for you. With your workspace ready, it's time to create your first board. Boards are where the action happens. They're visual organizers for your tasks and projects. Start by clicking Create then Create Board. A pop-up menu will appear, allowing you to name your board. Choose a name that reflects its purpose, perhaps Weekly Goals or Project Tracker. Next, you can select a background. Trello offers a variety of solid colors and images to make your board visually appealing. Pick something that inspires you or suits the theme of your board. Finally, set the visibility. If you're managing personal tasks, keep it private. For collaborative projects, you can choose Workspace Visibility, which allows your team to access the board. Once everything is set, click Create. Congratulations, you've just set up your first Trello board. Now that you got your board, let's bring structure to it by adding lists. Trello starts you off with 3 default lists: to do, doing, and done. These are great for basic workflows, but you can customize them to match your unique process. For example, if you're planning a product launch, you might rename the list to Ideas, In Progress, and Completed. Or if you're managing a content calendar, you could use lists like Brainstorm, Draft, Review, and Published. To rename a list, simply click on the title and start typing. You can also add new lists by clicking Add Another List at the end of your board. Rearranging lists is as simple as dragging and dropping them to fit the order that works best for you. With lists in place, your board is starting to take shape. Lists are great for categorizing, but the real magic happens when you start adding cards. Cards represent individual tasks, projects, or items within your workflow. Click Add a Card at the bottom of a list and give it a name that's clear and actionable. For example, in your to-do list, you might add cards like Write Blog Post, Schedule Team Meeting, or Order Supplies. Once you've created cards, you can drag them between lists to track their progress. For instance, when you start writing your blog post, move the card from to do to doing. And once it's finished, slide it over to done. Cards are incredibly flexible. You can click on any card to add details like descriptions, checklists, due dates, and more. This makes it easy to keep all your project information in one convenient place. Customizing your cards is where Trello becomes a truly powerful tool. Start by adding labels to categorize your tasks. For instance, you might use green for high priority, blue for team tasks, and yellow for upcoming deadlines. Next, consider adding a checklist to break down complex tasks. If your card is about launching a new product, your checklist might include steps like conduct market research, finalize design, and plan marketing strategy. Each time you check off an item, Trello updates the progress bar, giving you a sense of accomplishment. Due dates are another essential feature. They help you stay on track by reminding you when tasks are due. Simply click Dates, choose a deadline, and Trello will ensure you're always aware of your timeline. Customizing your cards ensures everything is organized and easy to manage. Trello's Powerups are like upgrades for your boards, offering additional functionality that helps you work smarter, not harder. Think of them as tools that enhance your Trello experience, transforming your boards from simple task trackers into powerful productivity hubs. Whether you're managing projects for work or organizing personal tasks, Powerups can take your workflow to the next level. Among the many available Powerups, one of the most popular and universally helpful is the Calendar Powerup. This feature allows you to visualize all your tasks and deadlines in a calendar format, making it easier to plan and prioritize. Activating the Calendar Powerup is simple and quick. Navigate to your Trello board and click on the Powerups option in the menu. In the Powerups menu, use the search bar to type in Calendar. Once you find it, click the Add button to activate the feature for your board. Once it's enabled, a new calendar button will appear at the top of your board. This button gives you instant access to the calendar view, where all your tasks with due dates are displayed in a clean, organized format, and Powerups are designed to be flexible and easy to use. You don't need to add everything at once. Start small and experiment to find what works best for you and your team.